Hello everyone, Akash here. Like I have some white hairs on my side of my hair. I was getting little, like little over here. So, I was thinking, like I color my hair because I wasn't getting on the top. I was just getting it on the side. So if you're kind of person getting white hair or gray hair, you see some places, then definitely this video is for you. Black Dixie hair shampoo. So don't get confused. That's a hair color. This is a hair shampoo, black hair shampoo. Okay. So why this is black hair shampoo and what is the difference between this and just color? Because color is kind of hassle. You have to put a gloves on. You have to, like put it all over your hair. You have to put something on the side. Make sure your skin don't get the color. I feel like this is a lot of hassle. If you have a hair all over white, then maybe you're thinking to do that once a month is worth it, then definitely do it. But if you kind of person get like some gray hair here, there, white hair here and there, and my issue is I have a black hair, really black hair, and now I get few white hairs, and it just, you just see it from far. Oh, you get few white hairs because black and white, you know how it looks. So this is why I didn't want it something that's color. I want something between that I could use so simply, and I don't have to worry about coloring my hair all the time. So this shampoo, so what do you do? Again, it comes with the instruction in the back. Okay, it's very simple to follow. So if you're getting it, I have the link in description box. I don't know, I always buy things online, maybe 10-15 bucks, but it comes with three packets. Okay, three packets comes with it. So if you don't have it too much gray hair, you don't even need the whole packet. You could just take a little bit, you just cut a little bit, get a little bit out, keep it in a Ziploc bag or whatever. You could use it again. So if you have all over your hair, then I would suggest you to use more. So but what do? I don't even need a gloves because this is not strong. You just wash your hand with soap and it's fine. So if you just take a little bit, put it whatever exactly you need, okay, and just wait 5 minutes and take a shower. That's all you have to do. Just put it exactly where you need. If you have it all over, then you take a little bit more and just massage it all over and just wait 5 minutes, just like a you want to do a black your hair. But the thing is, this is a shampoo, so you don't need to put additional shampoo. You don't have to worry about going on your skin on the side. It doesn't do that. Okay, even you wash your hands simply, it comes out like a shampoo, like shampoo. And also you don't have to add it up any other shampoo or anything. So it's like if you use it like a little bit in this, you could use it for 3 months probably for one packet, and you just don't have to worry about it coloring or oh man, I have to go through this process again. Remember, one thing is very important: try not to use too much chemical on your hair, in the first place, for the hair loss and also the gray hair. Because we use, like the shampoo, a lot of shampoos we use, we have no clue what, some of the ingredient, if you look at it on the back, it tells you a few things but doesn't tell you the whole story, how much chemical and everything. So if you could go for an organic shampoo or something, I would definitely recommend anything organic. But a lot of people don't like organic, but I would say if you never used it, try it out. This way you're gonna have a less hair fall and also less gray or white hairs. So that would be the first thing to do. Again, there's few shampoo I use personally, organic shampoo, and I love it, and it really helped me over the years. It's in my playlist, you could check it out. But that's the first thing. Less chemical or gel. Don't use gel. Gel is the worst thing. Even I would say it says alcohol free. Don't use it. Okay. People sometimes say, why I'm so young and getting gray hair. There gotta be, like those chemicals and everything, and also, like a lot of things goes through people's stress and everything. Definitely, everything together. But I just think I love this because it's so simple. I don't have to worry about those gray and white hair anymore, and I don't have to spend so much time on it to fix it. That's the great thing about it. Just it takes me 5 minutes, and just take a little bit and just put it there and forget about it for a whole month. I'm not thinking about anybody looking my white hair. I don't have to worry about none of this nonsense or anything. Just chill and relax, and everything is good. Life is good. So anyway, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.